Hi, my name is Kentis Kopala, and I'm a Global Practice Lead for Amazon Connect and Customer Experience here at AWS. I'm super excited to be joined today by Roy Bacharach, Principal Director for CCaaS and Conversational AI at Accenture. In response to COVID-19, Amazon Connect not only transformed contact center operations, but also the experience of many of our customers' clients. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through what we saw and learned during this unprecedented time. Also, we'll go through how Amazon Connect can drive your post-COVID customer experience transformation. Now, we've partnered with Accenture to address the needs of your customers. Roy, can you tell us a bit more about the Accenture AWS Business Group, please?
Thanks, Kentis. As mentioned, I'm Roy Bacharach with Accenture. I have a 20-year background in contact center technology, and since 2017, I focused on contact center as a service and conversational AI. The Accenture AWS Business Group is a joint partnership between Accenture and AWS to drive client adoption of workloads and applications onto Amazon Web Services. In over 13 years of partnership, Accenture and AWS have successfully delivered over 1,000 projects, and our partnership is the core to everything we do with Amazon Connect.
Thanks, Roy. As we've seen this year, the sudden emergence of COVID-19 required enterprises to move at unprecedented speed to serve their customers with quality while caring for their employees with compassion. Enterprises had to reevaluate how contact centers are leveraged, how contact center employees deliver quality customer experiences, where contact center employees work, and how digital channels can be used to support the increase in contact center volume. Leaders had to make swift, inside-informed decisions to support their contact center employees while maintaining and earning customers' trust. We'll take a look at how Accenture has helped several customers dealing with surges with Amazon Connect. The second stage is how to increase customer intimacy. With stores closing, or banks, or your local council office, all not being able to serve customers in person, there has been an increase in customer contacts. However, these end customers may not be receiving the same level of personalized service. We'll take a look at how you could leverage Amazon Connect and other AWS services to provide proactive and personalized customer experience and increase customer intimacy. And finally, we'll look at how Amazon Connect can help you drive your customer experience revolution. But before we do that, let's talk about Amazon Connect. At Amazon, we strive to be Earth's most customer-centric company. And to do this, everyone who works at Amazon understands that our customers are our top priority, and that our future as a company is built on our customer satisfaction. 12 years ago, Amazon Retail was starting to see enormous growth, with more customers and products, and to make sure that we deliver on the highest level of customer satisfaction, we needed a contact center technology. Today, over 70,000 customer service agents support millions of customers in dozens of different languages, over 32 countries across the globe. We knew that in order to scale to this size and deliver good customer service at this scale, we needed the right technology in place. So 12 years ago, we initiated the search. We went to the market to find the right technology for us. But the products in the market at that time could not meet our expectations. So what we did is we decided to build our own service. So we built it as a contact center as a service. Using our knowledge and experience, we built an easy-to-use, intuitive system that enables our customer service agents to use. Over time, AWS customers who would meet with our CEO would say, well, we would be very interested in using that same technology if you were to make it available to the market, which is what we did in March of 2017 as Amazon Connect. Earlier this year, we commissioned Forrester Group to perform an independent study of Amazon Connect. They spent a number of months interviewing Amazon Connect customers, real customers, who shared with Forrester some of the challenges they were facing with their previous contact center technologies before migrating to Amazon Connect. And not surprisingly, businesses were still facing those same challenges that we faced over 12 years ago. The legacy solutions were too expensive, they were not able to be easily scaled up or down, and they did not have access to AI technologies in their customer experience solution. Amazon Connect delivers differentiators that allow your customers to create exceptional customer experiences. For example, Amazon Connect was built from the ground up to be 100% cloud-based, and all you need is a browser and a headset. You can be set up in minutes, and agents can start taking calls with just a few simple steps. And they can be located practically anywhere where they have a broadband connection. You can log into AWS console today, answer a few short questions, claim a phone number, and you have a contact center up and running. Contact flows allow you to easily create compelling customer experiences and are the primary way you can build out an automated experience that your end customers can interact with you when they contact you. The user interface in Amazon Connect makes it easy for non-technical users to design contact flow. The engine is dynamic and personal. You can design conversational interfaces that feel natural to your customers by integrating with Amazon Lex, giving you access to the same speech technology that powers Alexa. We are an open platform that is simple to integrate with other enterprise applications. It is simple to integrate with your existing infrastructure, leveraging pre-built integrations or the APIs that you have with your CRM or workforce management applications. And to me, the most valuable differentiator is the ability to leverage the broader set of AWS services that we have and the partners to quickly innovate on the experiences you create with Amazon Connect. Today, we have over 185 integrations with Amazon Connect and a good community of service delivery partners like Accenture who can help you in your implementation. So that was about Amazon Connect. Now let's go to Roy to talk about what are some of the challenges that we are seeing with customers.
Great. During these amazing times, our clients are facing unprecedented challenges. Managing unpredictability, record call volume, widespread work from home. It's a huge time of change. Who really could have predicted where we would be today? And I think that's the point. The contact center infrastructure that we have, that we need for the future, is one that's based on innovation, openness, and that ability to change and really withstand whatever comes our way. And for a lot of our clients, the aging infrastructure that we have really holds them back. It's expensive to maintain, slow to update, requires proprietary skills, all of which just makes it very difficult to respond to those rapid changes that we're experiencing. The emotional state of consumers and businesses also adds to the challenges. The fear, uncertainty, and frustration present brands with new risks as well as new opportunities. Accenture research highlights, and the recent COVID experience has confirmed, two key points. The first, that contact centers are crucial. And secondly, when customers want answers to urgent and/or complex issues, they pick up the phone. They strongly prefer live voice interactions. So how do we respond to surges? The key to successful surge response is speed. And oftentimes, deploying Amazon Connect in conjunction to and adjacent with existing contact center infrastructure is the fastest path to bringing agents on board Amazon Connect. Once the existing IVR and telephony have confirmed customer intent, they can quickly move the call to Amazon Connect. And from there, we can rapidly and quickly scale agents in Amazon Lex bots. Additionally, Amazon Connect seamlessly provides work from home, which also contributes to the ability to scale rapidly. Next, let's look at two surge response case studies. Back earlier in the year, the Canadian government was also facing great pressure. The Employment Social Development Canada, ESDC, partnered with Accenture and in just 4 days launched a 2,000-seat Amazon Connect contact center. This center successfully supported hundreds of thousands of interactions per day, really helping these callers in their time of great need. Now, typically the Canadian government, like many of our largest clients, would take years to design, procure, and deploy a solution like this. The combined ESDC and Accenture team did all this in 4 days. And from what you can see from the quote from Benoit, his bosses and stakeholders love the result and they want more. More speed, more scalability, and more agility. Really the new normal with Amazon Connect in AWS. At the same time, Truist Mortgage were also facing extreme pressures. Unprecedented call volumes, wait times in excess of 6 to 8 hours, and many contact center agents not able to make it into work to take calls. Accenture partnered with Truist Mortgage and Truist Technology, and in just 48 hours brought the mortgage payment solution team onto Amazon Connect. We enabled work from home, which greatly improved productivity and reduced absenteeism. We enabled callback, which allowed callers to maintain their place in queue, allowing them to get on with their day and then still receive that all-important live phone interaction with a Truist teammate. And that was just the beginning. We continued migrations in April, May, and beyond, with the last migration just a few weeks ago, and more planned on into 2021. A great result for Truist Mortgage and their clients, powered by the partnership of Accenture and AWS. Next, let's take a deeper look at the Truist Mortgage Amazon Connect architecture. So in the middle of the diagram, you see the AWS cloud, where Amazon Connect and the Amazon Web Services reside. And on the left, you see the Truist client. The Truist client places a call into Truist. The carrier delivers the call into the data center to the on-premise existing telephony and IVR solution, which then confirm the intent. Then the existing telephony initiates a carrier-level take-back and transfer. The call is pulled back up into the carrier and then delivered onto Amazon Connect. The Amazon Connect contact flow then calls an AWS Lambda function, which then performs a data lookup into Amazon DynamoDB to confirm hours of operations and confirm any holiday or emergency messaging. From here, depending on wait times, callback could be offered. And then once the routing decision is made and an agent available, the call is delivered encrypted over the internet to a Truist teammate who takes the call on their laptop, Chrome browser, and USB headset. The call recordings are enabled within the contact flow themselves and then stored in Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3. Amazon Kinesis streams the call data into Amazon S3 as well, and from there, AWS Lambda can take that data and display it into Amazon QuickSight, where contact center reporting users can view the contact center results. Amazon CloudWatch and AWS CloudTrail monitor the solution and log and track all changes. The real advantages of this solution architecture are speed and scalability. It can be deployed in days, not months, weeks, or years, and it can scale to handle thousands and thousands of agents.
Thanks, Roy. The second step in our framework is how to increase customer intimacy. You can do so by augmenting and automating your service with virtual agents. With Amazon Lex and Amazon Poly, you can further personalize the interactions you provide to your customers. With Poly Neural Text-to-Speech, you can choose the conversational style to generate speech in a more friendly and expressive conversational style. With Contact Lens, a feature of Amazon Connect, we can help you better understand the sentiment and trends of your customer conversations. You can also track the compliance of customer conversations in your contact center to ensure standard greetings and sign-offs are used. and help train agents to replicate success of what a good interaction is. Real-time contact lens for Amazon Connect is a new capability that identifies issues in real time and impact customer interactions during the call itself, and was announced last week at reInvent, and it has no increase of pricing of contact lens. To further improve customer satisfaction, Contact Lens now provides real-time scripts so customers don't have to repeat themselves when calls are transferred, and supervisors can conduct fast search on transcript to quickly troubleshoot customer issues. And the fourth example of how you can improve customer intimacy is through proactive notifications. Using Amazon Pinpoint and Amazon Connect, you can proactively reach out to customers. Now let's go to Roy to see an example of how customers are using Pinpoint and Amazon Connect today for proactive notifications.
Thanks, Kentis. So here's an example of a proactive notification architecture that we developed with one of our clients. The business logic resides in Salesforce, and Salesforce triggers the proactive notification with a call to Amazon API Gateway. API Gateway then calls an AWS Lambda function. For two-way SMS, the Lambda function calls Amazon Pinpoint, passing in all the required information for Pinpoint to then send the customer the SMS. For voice notifications, the Lambda function calls Amazon Connect using the outbound voice API. Amazon Poly plays the message, and then Amazon Connect uses DTMF to capture the customer response. Amazon Kinesis streams the call data into S3, and from there the data can be displayed in Amazon QuickSight or Kibana dashboards.
Great, thanks Roy. With 5 major capabilities announced this reInvent, we are reimagining customer service and driving a customer experience revolution. First, Amazon Connect Wisdom. It provides contact center agents with the right information they need to solve issues in real time. Second, Amazon Connect Customer Profiles give agents a unified profile for each customer they can use to provide personalized service. Third, that we just discussed, Real-Time Contact Lens for Amazon Connect offers new capability for contact center managers to impact customer interactions during a call. Fourth, Amazon Connect Task automates, tracks, and manages tasks for contact center agents, improving agent productivity by up to 30%. And finally, Amazon Connect Voice ID delivers real-time caller authentication using ML-powered voice analysis. Together with Accenture, we can help you evolve your data and technology to deliver dynamic intelligence at every step of a customer journey and deliver that data-driven experience. Our data and analytics experts use data lake technologies, AI, ML, to find and analyze customer insights and generate new customer models. We can then use this data for personalization. With Accenture, we can help businesses activate and evolve their data to deliver relevant, personalized experiences that are continually improved through test and learn. Let's take a look at a blueprint of what an architecture could possibly look like. On the left-hand side of a diagram is a group of the possible sources of data. Enterprise application data sources include CRM, customer information, purchase history, case management, knowledge base articles, enterprise communities, and so on. And in some cases, you may even include IoT data and location data to provide that great information that you can gather from customers. Real-time customer and agent data from Amazon Connect come from Agent Stream, Contact Trace, and Contact Lens that we just talked earlier. The middle section of the diagram captures the logic of extracting the raw data from all these various sources and massing the data into a uniform format and storing the curated data in S3 bucket for AI/ML services to consume later. On the right-hand side of a diagram, we see a variety of AI/ML services which would consume the data from the data lake and provide specific output based on the use case. These AWS services include SageMaker, Personalize, Translate, Comprehend, Forecast, Kendra, all depending on the use case you're trying to solve. And the best thing is you don't have to do this all by yourself. Accenture or our community of SI partners can help you through that journey. Roy, can you tell us about how Accenture can help our customers today?
Advanced customer engagement on AWS represents a joint partnership between Accenture and AWS to accelerate customer time to value, improve the customer experience while reducing operating expenses and generating revenue. The 5 pillars of ACE include proactive notification, voice-to-voice AI, AI messaging, deflected digital, and AI agent assist. Proactive notification we spoke of earlier, and in addition to Amazon Connect and Amazon Pinpoint, it can also include Amazon Simple Email Service for email interactions. Voice-to-voice AI, deflected digital, and AI messaging are powered by Amazon Connect, Amazon Lex, and Amazon Pinpoint. Also for SMS, it can include Amazon Simple Notification Service. AI Agent Assist uses Amazon Transcribe and Amazon Comprehend, or real-time contact lens for Amazon Connect. It can also use Amazon Kendra or Amazon Connect Wisdom. These Amazon Web Services are extended by Accenture assets and accelerators, including Amazon Connect and Contact Center accelerators like the Conversational AI Platform, which provides AI bot design, bot management, bot orchestration capabilities, as well as the Unified Agent Portal, which is a pre-built contact control panel that supports full omni-channel capabilities. In addition to voice and chat, it supports video, SMS, messaging, social media, and email interactions, as well as the AWS architecture required to operate it. We also have pre-built AI intent libraries, which are comprised of the intents, the utterances, and the full detailed customer journeys. Advanced customer engagement on AWS combines the power of AWS AI and ML with the best of Accenture assets, accelerators, and proven methodologies to deliver true transformative results. Results like reducing operating expenses by 30 to 50%, improving sales conversion rates, customer satisfaction, and customer retention. Advanced customer engagement on AWS is the right approach and the right solution to drive true and lasting transformation.
Great. Thanks, Roy. And you can get started today. You don't have to do everything at once. You can get started, set up an instance of Amazon Connect by following these links, learn about all the new capabilities, and you can find a lot of information on our page. And don't forget that we have a number of other sessions at reInvent this week and in the coming weeks as well. There are many sessions related to Amazon Connect, but also other business application sessions. So we want to thank you for attending our session on Amazon Connect and how you can help reimagine your customer experience and drive a revolution in the industry. So we thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact myself, Candice Coppola, or Roy Bacharach, who presented together with me in this session. Thanks very much.